guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you the house tour of this beautiful villa that is located in Mombasa, Nyali to be specific, and it's located near the beach. The distance from here to the beach is not that far, and so in case you're in Mombasa and you're looking for somewhere to stay, you can stay here. And so the villa has a shared lounge, and we have spacious and beautiful rooms upstairs where you can stay in case you're staying in Mombasa. So let's get right onto this video. And this is the lounge area. I really love how this place looks, and as you can see, the main color theme here is brown. The color of the seats, the color of the furniture, it's all brown, the mahogany color, and it's really beautiful. And so the lounge area does not have a TV, but we have a TV in each room. I really love these shelves, and I'm really manifesting this for myself one day. I would really love to have this in my house or in my home so that I can arrange my decor pieces.